This is my IDT 3600 final presentation. For the first standard, it says facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. The three assignments that reflected this standard to me during the semester was the comic assignment, lesson planning, and graphic organizer. The comic was a great way to inspire student learning and creativity. It also provides a way to present material in a fun and creative way. Creating a lesson plan definitely inspires student learning and creativity. The teacher has the opportunity to present curriculum in an orderly, relatable, inspiring, and impactful way while abiding by a lesson plan. A graphic organizer is a great source to present to students. This gives an opportunity for the students to see a creative way to learn material and not just reading it by the book. The second standard says design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. The three assignments I chose were video capture, discussion post, and interactive activities. The video capture assignment increased my knowledge regarding voice recording on a laptop, and it especially is beneficial in the classroom. Students often enjoy hearing recordings of a lecture or a book, and this resource enables you to do that. Discussion posts that were completed each week were very helpful regarding my experiences with digital age learning. I was able to make my learning activities my own and personal by completing my responses each week and responding to other classmates. The interactive activities that we completed were a perfect way for students to develop and further their digital age learning experiences and assessments. There are built-in assessments while completing a learning activity, while they also display a creative and interesting way. The third standard says model digital age work and learning. The three assignments that I chose for this standard would be the spreadsheet, discussion post, and Weebly. The spreadsheet assignment would be very beneficial and helpful while modeling digital age work. Spreadsheets are a great way to model and facilitate effective learning while using digital tools. The discussion posts were completed each week, and they are a great example of collaboration. Similar discussion posts could enable collaboration with students, peers, parents, and community members while using digital tools. Weebly is also a very important way that we can model our progress with digital tools. This is always a great way for the student to keep up with the students. For the teacher to keep up with the student's success throughout the semester or year. For the fourth standard, it says promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. The three assignments I chose were lesson planning, web tools, and the discussion posts and how they were built around teaching safe, legal, and ethical use of digital information and technology. The lesson plans that we wrote also respect copyright, intellectual property, and sources, and we were always encouraged to find our sources and to cite them so we would not copyright. And then the web tools were used to experiment and learn material in fun, creative ways. This could also enable a look and a new understanding on how to model culture and global awareness. Standard number 5, this states to engage in professional growth and leadership. The three assignments that I chose were Weebly, discussion posts, and interactive activities. Weebly is a great example of promoting leadership. We have the opportunity to compile all of our work that was produced throughout the semester, and it is neatly placed in our own Weebly website. In my opinion, this is a great way to showcase our hard work, growth, and leadership that was presented during the semester. Discussion posts that were completed each week are a great way to participate in a shared decision-making and a building community. While we commented on our classmates' posts each week, we were building one another up and encouraging one another to grow and become leaders in the education community. Interactive activities, I believe, are to encourage growth and leadership because everyone can use them and further their learning in a creative, different way. Teachers can collaborate all throughout the school and use different activities in their classroom that have been recommended. Those were the 5 standards that educators abide by, and that is my presentation.